Believe it or not, there are occasions when photographers want to carry their camera gear inside a bag that wasn't built to protect cameras. I know, it's crazy. Some photographers and filmmakers own trekking backpacks, handbags, duffel bags, or suitcases, and about 40 years ago, they said to us, "We'd like it very much if you'd help protect our camera gear inside this bag that you totally did not make." So for decades, Tenba has been making padded inserts. The most recent version of these inserts is called BYOB, for Bring Your Own Bag, and they allow you to securely carry a camera inside any of your favorite non-camera bags. There are two styles of BYOB, the classic camera insert, which is perfect for messenger bags and handbags, and the backpack insert. The common features across both styles of BYOB inserts are that they have soft padded interiors with customizable dividers, and they are available in sizes to fit everything from small mirrorless cameras to a Pro DSLR with a 70-200 2.8. They have stretchy mesh side pockets for oversized items like a water bottle or a tripod, and there's a zippered pocket inside for money, keys, and other things you really want to keep secure. They're all available in either blue or black herringbone water-repellent fabric with durable YKK zippers. On the camera inserts, there are two pockets on the front for slimmer accessories, D-rings on the side to attach the included shoulder strap so it can be carried all on its own, and a rear pocket that doubles as storage for the cover so that you can just dip in to get your camera through the top zipper of your exterior bag. These come in 4 sizes, which have capacities of blip. The backpack inserts have a unique opening that makes them work especially well in any vertically oriented bag. First, they're taller, which keeps the opening closer to the top of your pack. And second, the drop top opening makes it easy to remove a camera without opening it all the way. Of course, they can open all the way when you want to pack them out, and since they do that, they do not have the ability to take a shoulder strap the way the other camera inserts do. These come in 3 sizes with capacities of whip. These inserts are amazingly versatile and portable, and there are hundreds of great uses for them. People use them for audio gear and microphones, drone kits, large cinema camera lenses. You could even use them to pack a very delicate lunch. If you have a bag that you love for reasons of comfort and style, the Tenba BYOB inserts will allow you to turn it into a fully functioning professional camera bag.